I'm going to show you a little trick that I use quite often when I need to remove a bolt that's got a bunch of washers and spacers and stuff in between a bunch of brackets and stuff like that. So I want to pull this bolt out, but of course I don't want to drop my spacer and washers in between all these components and then have to fiddle with getting them back in there. So what I do is I just chase one bolt with another bolt. So let's see if I can get around here without moving the camera. So I'm going to pull this bolt out, and as I do, I'm going to chase it with this other bolt. So this bolt will replace this bolt as I pull it out, and hopefully none of the components will drop. I'm bumping the camera, but there. So now this bolt is removed, and this bolt is now keeping everything in alignment. So I'm going to pull this washer off like I just talked about. So now the washer under the head is removed, and I can just do this in reverse. And that's that. It's a pretty simple technique to save yourself from having to redo these spacers in these tight areas, which is no fun. All right.